Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You set Apple Pay up first, add a valid card, enable Face ID or Touch ID, and confirm billing info. Once done, sign into the same email you use for Xbox or Microsoft services. Next, pick an authorized retailer or the Microsoft Store in Safari that shows Apple Pay as a payment option. Choose the gift card amount you need, tap Apple Pay, and authenticate the payment. This starts the only direct path. Buy a digital Xbox gift card using Apple Pay and receive a redeemable code. After you authorize Apple Pay, closely check delivery options, pick digital delivery to get an immediate code. Make sure the billing country and the Xbox account region match because codes are region locked. Once purchase completes, the retailer will show a confirmation screen and send an email with the code. Save both. If the code displays only on screen, screenshot it now. Also, keep the Apple Pay receipt in wallet. This proves the purchase if you need support. These middle steps prevent regional or delivery errors. Now redeem the code on your Xbox. Sign in, go to store, select Redeem Code, then type it or use the console camera to scan. Once accepted, the balance applies to your Microsoft account and you can buy games or subscriptions. If the code rejects, first make sure the Xbox account region matches the code region, then search your email spam folder and verify you used the same retailer account. If problems persist, contact the retailer with the Apple Pay receipt and the confirmation code.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.